Hello friends, my name is JAFAR ABBAS. Today I am going to teach you how you can make a animation like this one. So let's start. First of all, I am taking a new composition. I am naming it as main. I am taking 30 frames per second, and I am taking the duration of 20 seconds. Click OK. Now I am taking a solid. I am taking a black background solid. I am naming it as background. Click OK. Now I am taking another solid, and this time I am taking white solid. Okay, just click OK. Now I am taking a shape, a ellipse tool. Okay, drag. To create the shape entirely in the middle, you will have to press shift and control plus shift. Okay, so this you can make the shape exactly in the center. Okay, now the mask is created. I'm going to the mask and then none to this option. Now I'm going to effects and preset, and I'm searching strokes. I'm applying stroke. Okay, here you will have to select on this paint style, you will have to select on transparent, and the brush size, you can increase the brush size. I'm increasing it to 13. Now what I'm doing is I'm pressing the stopwatch button on this start and end. I'm changing the value of start to 100. Okay, the key is set. Now I am moving my cursor to 30 frames ahead. To jump to 10 frames at a time, you will have to press Ctrl plus Shift and right key, so that you can move 10 frames ahead at a time. Okay, now I have moved to 30 frames. Now I'm changing the value to 0, both end and start. To show my keyframe, I am pressing my U button so that I can see the keyframes. Now I'm selecting the inside keyframe. I'm dragging them out. I think this is okay. I can change the size by dragging them out or in. This size is okay for me. Okay, now I am naming this layer to 1. Now press Ctrl D to make a duplicate. The copy has been generated. Now double click on it and just rotate it. Now I'm doing another copy by pressing the Ctrl D option. Select the third layer, again rotate it, press U. I'm shortening the size of it. Okay, I'm trying to make some kind of design. Okay, you can make any of the design you want to using the same technique. Now again press Ctrl D. Make sure they do not collide while you play the video. Make sure the upper one, both the upper one and the lower one are in alignment. The process might take some time. I am going to fast forward the video. Please stay connected. So I want this ring to be shortened in proportion. So I'm double clicking on it and I'm pressing Control button and Shift button and then dragging it inwardly. Okay, this will make a shortening in proportion. Okay. So viewers, I have created a design. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is to bring my logo in. Now viewers, I'm going to unite them, so I'm selecting all of them. I'm selecting all of them. Now right click and go to precompose option, sorry, precompose, and you can name it. I'm naming it as ripple. Okay, just press OK. Now I want to bring my logo inside, so for that I am first taking new composition. I am naming it as logo. Press OK. Now take another solid. I'm taking a white solid. Press OK. Now again I'm using the shape, and again I'm selecting ellipse, drag a shape on it, press Ctrl plus Shift to exactly draw in the middle. Okay, now bring inside your logo. For that you will have to double click on this, double click here. Now bring your logo. I'm taking my logo in. This is my logo. Bring it upward. I'm going to resize it. For that I'm using scale option. I'm going to scale it. That's it. That's it. Now I'm going to pre-compose these two as well. Select both of them, right click, and then go to pre-compose option. Okay, now go to the main composition. Now drag the logo inside, bring it upward. What I want when the circle animation completes, then the logo will emerge out. So for that I'm setting it here. I want two properties, scale and rotation. So for that I'm pressing S for scale and Shift R for rotation. I am putting the keyframes. I want a gap of 15 frames. Bring those two keyframes to 15 frames ahead. Now press the initial value to 0 and rotation value to 180. Okay, now I want to insert an expression. I am copying the expression. The expression will be shared in description. You can use it from the description. I'm applying the expression. You will have to press Alt button and then click on this property, pressing Alt, then paste the expression. I'm pasting the expression by Ctrl V. Okay, same thing will be done for rotation as well. Press Alt on the keyframe and now paste the expression. Now check. Look at here how nice it's looking now. Nice. Okay, select these two keyframes, and now I'm going to easy ease them. Right click, keyframe assistant, and easy ease. You can do the same thing by pressing the F9 button. On now select. Now go to the graph editor. Close the graph editor. Play the video now. Amazing. Very good. Now I am going to create the animated background, and for that I am using another solid. So right click, new and solid, and just name it as animated background. Animated. Okay, now I'm going to apply CC ball effects on it. CC ball action effect. And increase the scatter value to 124, 1024. Now reduce the ball size to 45. Bring the logo upward. Now you will have to press Alt on this stopwatch of instability state. Press Alt here. Click. Now write time. Now you can see the movement behind the logo is visible. Okay, now I'm going to apply gradient ramp on actual background. So find the ramp here, just pick and drag and drop on this background. Change the color. Select as radial ramp. Now start of ramp should be from the middle and end of ramp should be here. Okay, that's nice. That's all. Now I'm going to make this layer a 3D. Now what I want is the logo should rotate to its right, and I'm going to change the orientation value of y-axis for that. At the time frame of exact 3 seconds, I'm going to mark a keyframe on orientation, and now I'm changing the value to 90 degree of y-axis. Sorry, you need to uh, first mark a keyframe for 0 and then move to 10 frames ahead and then change the value to 90 degree. Now what I want that uh, when it's rotate to 90 degree, the text came out from the other side. For that I'm typing a text. Align to the center. Use this pen tool to make it entirely in the middle. Make this text layer as 3D as well. Now mark a keyframe on orientation. I'm marking a keyframe on the orientation on y-axis for 90 degree. Then after the 10 frames I'm changing the y-axis to 0. As soon as it's twist and turned, the text will appear. Select the keyframe, press F9 for easy ease. Go to the graph editor and set the graph. That's it, looking nice.